2023 Nissan Frontier quad cab. Let me show you guys what we've done to it. It's got factory cats on each side. Secondaries there. There's a total of 4. And then the customer did some of his own work. He wanted an equal length. So he did this himself, which is actually, I am very impressed with. It looks really good for what he did. A lot of clamps and stuff because he didn't have a welder. But still, he got the equal length. So it goes from here, over this one, under. It goes out the Y pipe. And then this is this side and out. So it goes right there, and then it goes, and then and then it goes out. And then what we did is changed it up. He had some thrush muffler on it. It didn't sound too good. We didn't like it. I told him, change it, man. So he went ahead and put a BIGBOZ 3s on it right there. Here's the part number. BIGBOZ 5, 3-inch in, 3-inch out. BIGBOZ 5, 3-inch in, 3-inch out right there. Then we added a sleeve, left the same tailpipe, left the resonator on, and finished it off with a double carbon tip out the back, which came out really clean and nice, as you guys can see there. Let me show you from the back side. There it is. Really nice looking truck. And then that was the thrush muffler that was on it that we cut off. It's the red one. So we took that off. All right. So stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And like always, like, comment, and hit that subscribe. Guys, here we go. Nissan Frontier Pro 4X with BIGBOZ, equal length, loop, and new tip. Go ahead. Again, rev it high. That's not bad at all. I like it. It's clean, it's smooth. Again. He's trying to get that 370 VQ sound. It's very close. We got it close. Again. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. 103. It wasn't even hitting 90 before, remember? Again. I like it. All right, go ahead and back it out. If you guys don't know, we are located in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee. There's our beautiful shop right down the street from Skyline Hospital on Dickerson Pike. Come and see us. Not bad. You got to remember, you got a little bit of leaks in the front too. So that's, you see the initial rev, that little bit you hear? That's the leak. That little hiss? Yeah. It's louder the warmer it gets. I like it. BIGBOZ, you've done it again. It sounds good on this. What do you guys think? Let us know in the comments. Let me let you hear it on the inside. All right, here we go, guys. Nissan Frontier with BIGBOZ. And equal length and carbon fiber tip. Yeah, sounds clean. I like it. And then guess what, guys? We got a right-hand Honda Accord. All the way from overseas station wagon. Look at this thing. She's a beauty. I'm jealous. Juan, you want one?
I think I'd crash it.
Really? Oh, because it's right-hand drive?
Yeah, I can't even line up to the base.
It's a sick little car. I like it. We're gonna do a muffler delete on it. Rev it real quick and then go. So that's what it sounds like stock. That's the look of it.